Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Aleali May collab with Jordan on the Jordan 14 Lows, dubbed the Fortune. Let's take a quick sneak peek. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to hit that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing the Air Jordan 14 Lows. This is a collab that was done with Aleali May, and these are called the Fortunes. I'm also going to be discussing some of the pieces that came with the capsule that match the shoe to a T. So first we're going to start off with the overview. Then I'm going to talk about a few of the pieces I picked up. You'll have to be able to wait to the end to see how I styled those. And then after the overview, we'll talk about size and fit. And then we'll conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So just a quick little story about this collab that was inspired by Aleali May's family members, specifically her grandmother, who actually gave her a bracelet. So definitely a nod to fine jewelry, as well as her Filipino and Black roots. For those of you who don't know this already, I also am Filipino and Black. So definitely had to snag a pair of these because that definitely relates to me in so many different ways, as well as the fact that this was my very first silhouette I ever owned from the Jordan brand. So let's jump right into it. We've got this light sand colorway suede that graces the front of the toe box here. Then we've got that black Jumpman logo embroidered on the front. Working our way up, we have a simple black tongue with black laces. There are actually an additional pair of laces. Let me just open this box up to show you. Some really cool paper inside here, as well as in a special edition box with Aleali May signature on the front. And we've got the A on the back for her logo and this really cool mint green colorway. If you're not feeling the black laces though, you do have the option to add these kind of sandy taupe beige color, and on the tips of both laces you'll find that they are gold plated there with the Jumpman logo. So let's take a peek at those details and then we'll move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, we've got more of that just beautiful sand colored suede that graces the side profiles of the shoe, but really pops out is this kind of emerald green coloring scheme that you see not only on the top of the tongue here, but also the shank plates have this really pop of bright metallic gold underneath this jade marbling that we've got going on different parts of the shoe. The shoe is then finished off with a simple sand colored outsole, and then on the bottom that plate then is also plated in the gold coloring scheme, as well as more hints of that kind of mint emerald green tones that you see on the bottom here. The insoles have her initials on there, and then we've also got Jordan branding on the back of the heel there. So let's take a look at those final details. right, so as mentioned earlier, I did pick up a few pieces from the Capsule collection. So this is one of the t-shirts, the authentic Jordan, and it's really high quality. This is actually kind of raised above the material of the t-shirt, which is super cool. We've also got an embroidered Nike at the bottom there, as well as a few other pieces that I picked up were the biker shorts. Again, this green really just matches this to a T. One of my favorite parts is this accent on the back with that gold zipper, which matches the gold metallic that you see in the shoe. And then I also picked up this zip shirt, and we've got this nice Jordan branding on the side as well as the collar, and then you've got the A for Aleali. Nice kind of militaristic look, which I love me some green, as you all know, so happy to add this to my clothing collection, but you'll see those in detail in the styling section. So as far as size and fit goes, this was a women's exclusive, so this came in only women's sizing. I stuck true to size with a size 9, and I would recommend not going up or not going down. I do have narrow high arch feet, so that will decipher what shoe size works best for you. If you do have wider flat feet, this may actually vary for you a little bit, but other than that I would say stick true to size. All right, so now let's move on to styling. I had so much fun styling these. Obviously, this is a really cool kind of color combination that we've got here. Some nice black and taupe and green color schemes. So obviously I wanted to pair this with all of the clothes in the capsule. So first I went with the t-shirt paired with the biker shorts.
To repeat, run up on me, watch you fall to your knees. Tip my hat when it's time for the kill. Ain't no beast when you're really real. I am the boss, I am the dawn. I am the one they call Lucky Charm. Got my own shit, I don't need your farm. Life was so hard, it made me weak. Built to last, this girl ain't weak. Sturdy and still when I plant my feet. Got it out the mud, now it's racks in my sleep. Look to God, he supplies my needs. Endless faith is what brought me next level prosperity. Silent power moves is what I'm giving. They love to hate the world they can't live in. Always present for the high roads. Go swim within the deep lows. What told the future?
And then for the second look, I paired it with the shirt that is a zip shirt with those biker shorts as well.
Who knows? I don't do it for the likes, I do it for the love. Do it for the ones who really needed a hug, cause they had it tough, never had enough. Feared, loved, and respected. Using words as a weapon. Test and she. Hurry up quick, El Jefe's coming soon. Sit up straight when she enters the room. Be enthused, but don't look too amused. This is her queendom, please respect her rule. Hurry up quick, El Jefe's coming soon. Sit up straight when she enters the room.
So you let me know out of those two which you enjoy the most out of the capsule, or how would you decide to actually style these shoes?
Peeping out my Uber window like what's next. Got new levels and new devils out the wazoo. Ain't no worries, life gets better when you find you. And if you mind you, peace will abide and hide you until it's time to start anew. So live it up, we grown, ain't got no curfew. Who brought the bad vibes? Tell that bitch move. Walking all in my inner, that's a bitch move. Pressed that I arrive, mad that I survive. All your sad attempts to send me to the sky. But I've been in the wind, been had wings, I was always this fly. Oh yes, and that's probably why you're mad. Don't let Evie turn you into a trash bag. Soak it glad, find out why you sad. All that jealousy, you should subside. I think it's time to turn that mirror on you. Put it up close for a clear view. And look deep down inside. And soon you will find a pretty soul that needs more shine. My world has come together, and maybe I just wanna let it shine. There is no good or better. I think tonight I'm gonna make it mine. 1, 2, mean right hook. Come and test me, my mob deep will have you shook. It's a marathon, but baby girl, never let up. No need for speed, but keep your foot up on the gas pedal. Ain't worried about having a golden award when God made me to be an ice cold meadow. Why are you always pressed about my life? Talking with your frenemies about me, saying, ooh girl, have you seen it like the shine lights? You tried, but you could never dim my light. Please know I'm untouchable, girl. I'll slip through your fingers like a real fly kite. Why you wanna turn a good day into fight night? Constantly projecting all that negativity. Take that bad energy and go and get your mind right. Say a prayer tonight to keep your soul tight.
All right, now let's conclude with how much these retailed for and how they're doing on the resale market. These retailed for $190, and currently these are going on the lower end of $267 to around $345 for the larger sizes. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as leave any comments or questions down below and hit that join button for all of our membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will all catch you on the next video.